Hello, good morning. My name is Ajay Tokwe. I'm hereby to tell you how gramfree work. Gramfree, just like a cryptocurrency, it's fluctuating to like cryptocurrency too. Sometimes it will go for $1.94 to $2.40. It depends how fluctuating the market is. This is how it works. That is what you call free. That's the rolling every 1 hour. They give you chance to roll it 5 times in a day. You roll it, you can off the winning roll, which is for risk one. You can see, but this one is very risk. I choose not to be risk. Roll. I roll it now. I got 0.1 gram. Alright. I'll be rolling it 5 times in a day. Another 1 hour to it, I'll roll it again. That's what we call smart contract too. They give you this every day. You sign it. I'm signing my own anticipatory contract. Check. I'll sign it. I'll sign like the one I'm doing before. Confirm another one too. Confirm another one too. They are adding up my gram free. They are adding up my gram. It's free and legit. You see? That is lottery, but I'm not doing lottery. That is how it works. Thanks.